What's your advice for the day?
Oh, man. Stay in school, kids. You don't want this to be you.
You don't want this to be your job, huh?
Stay in school, kids. Said that one time I was working at Labor Finders one time, and I went down there to work. Well, they didn't have nowhere to send me out. They said, "Hey, look, we'll give you $7 an hour to stand out there and hold the sign up there."
Yeah.
I was holding the sign up there, and it's about school time come by, and this busload of kids come by.
Uh-huh.
And they was in a bus. And all them kids was hanging out, there was a bunch of window lickers hanging out the windows. I said, "Look, kids, stay your ass in school. You don't want this to be you." And I was holding that sign up there, "Come to Labor Finders."
There you go, people. Stay in school. Words of advice from the man.
Yeah, life is tough. You don't know what you go through before you die. Hang on and hang on.
All right, thank you.
All right, man. You go do some work.
We're over here at Crossroads. We got to go do some work, people.
You go do some work.
Thank you.